My name is Justin Zimmerman. I'm a facilities maintenance technician for Western Digital. The reason I went to San Jose City specifically was because the students work hands-on with the equipment, learning the controls and the fundamentals of facilities and electrical.
The students will do a lot of lighting, they do a lot of switches, they do a lot of receptacles. The students will also learn basic HVAC equipment, and as part of the facility maintenance program, they're going to learn building controls and also some plumbing as well. Currently, we have one certificate for the facility maintenance program. It's a level 3 certificate. We also have an associate's degree program. So it takes about 2 to 2.5 years to get through the program.
What stood out most about the program was the wide range of teachers and their backgrounds. Their experience alone made me want to learn something not only from the curriculum, but maybe something from them as well.
Our HVAC program and FMT program has one of the strongest labs that there is. We have equipment that ranges from 2018 all the way back to the 1970s.
The scheduling allows me working nighttime 12 hours and come in for the day to pursue my education. Our
students are finding employment at a lot of the different hospitals. Google, we have them on site at Apple, so we have them on site at these large facilities as well. We are the best in this area.
I would definitely say this program works learning the degree and making your experience a good and an enjoyable one.